I'm Angela Miles with a pre-holiday Russell report. Thanks so much for checking out my show today. Well, it is a jobs day. The June jobs report coming out with a surprising and record 4.8 million jobs added to payrolls, much better than expected there. The unemployment rate dipping all the way down to 11.1%, but 1.4 million Americans signed up for unemployment benefits recently, so the economy continues to struggle with that situation. At the same time, coronavirus is spiking too. Let's take a look at the trading action for today. Right now, the Russell trading around 1448 as we are going to tape. I know it's really moving here. The ratio one call trading for every one put. The straddle for next week implying a move of 4% up or down. The RVX is the big headline story today for the Russell report. The RVX, which measures implied volatility, has already seen more than a 2-point move in one day. As we're going to tape, it happens to be around 37, but the RVX has been up and it's been down as traders in the market digest all these news headlines that are coming in. Taking a look at the trading action in the near term, we're seeing some situations where there's some puts active at the 390 strike, and then there's some calls for the traditionals way up there at the 1650 strike. Now that just tells me that somebody is putting on a hedge play because that trade, those calls are way out of the money, but they want to have exposure. The RVX is measuring implied volatility, as I mentioned, but at the same time, the Russell has overall implied volatility that traders like to watch. And what I'm watching is what's happening in November. Way out near the election, the implied volatility in the Russell is right around a 32. For September, it's a 31. For October, it's a 31. So it's starting to creep up. As for individual trades, there is a trade to talk about, the October 12/30 put trade that somebody put on earlier. Now that is an out of the money put play, and that trader is paying a lot for that option contract because the implied volatility on that trade is a 41. So that's a wrap of what's going on for now. I think a lot is going to happen after the holiday. I'm Angela Miles again. Thanks so much for watching my show and have a happy 4th of July. Stay safe.